Hey guys, Darkovika here with the tutorial channel. So, I haven't uploaded anything here in forever, but that's about to change. I am coming back with more videos and more tutorials for a lot of different things, not just Tyranno Builder, not just C++. The long story short of it is there's going to be some changes to the way that I've uploaded my videos previously. I'm probably going to remove all of my old ones because frankly the way that they were formatted, especially in the earlier videos where I recorded them on a Surface, which was not designed for that level of intensity. And then the later videos, all of them are obscure, like all of them are obsolete. None of them are even remotely like, I mean, you can sort of use them to learn Tyranno Builder now, but the version that it's at is so vastly different and so much better that it does not behoove anyone to really use these videos. So I will be starting over brand new with a new series that will be structured slightly differently, with shorter videos that tackle perhaps one or two nodes at a time and one or two concepts at a time. This allows me to create addendums that will be able to correct or add on ideas to a specific section instead of doing like a 45-minute video, which personally, I hate tutorial videos that are like 50 minutes long. Like, I know that's really sad, but I just get to the point. So I'm going to be doing very pointed tutorial videos that will tackle one or two subjects so that if I need to correct them, add on to them, or maybe create addendum videos that sort of add on to the concept, that will be much easier. Because if I'm trying to correct a 5-second section of a 45-minute video, I ain't going to do it. I'm just going to leave it. So that's not happening. We're not doing that. I just noticed that my alert bell has 99 plus on it. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I haven't responded to any comments. I have pretty much hidden from this channel entirely. Like, I fled tutorials, partially because I got really intimidated by how kind of big my tutorial videos got, and I hated that it was a part of my regular Darkovika channel because clearly people were subscribing to me for tutorial content, but that was not what that channel was designed for. So here it is on the Darkovika tutorial channel, which I have not touched. Great. Good job, Darkovika. Proud of you. But another thing that I wanted to point out that's really important to me is I will not be supporting pirated versions of any of the software that I have going on. It is up to you whether you want to download pirated software. However, usually I can tell when you are asking me questions regarding why illegally gotten software is not working or why it's the wrong version and how you can't update it. I can pretty much almost always tell. I will help you up to, you know, updating via Steam or perhaps contacting the creators. However, if you've not purchased the software illegally, I will not help you. Period. I ain't doing it. I ain't giving you. And if anybody posts links to pirated software in my videos, I will delete them. End of story. I don't need to explain this. As a developer, I don't need to explain this. So that said, moving along, pretty much a lot of the reason that I kind of ditched my tutorial videos, which I feel really bad about because a lot of people came to rely on them, I think that was the part that scared me a little bit. My tutorial videos were initially the reason why they're so poorly formatted in the beginning was a lot of the reason I created them was actually for myself. I learn in a very specific way, and making tutorials or teaching other people is a way for me to cement knowledge. It's kind of a selfish thing, but that was partially why I created those videos. I'll be frank, I thought that the reach that those tutorial videos was going to get was like 10 people. So yeah, obviously that wasn't the case. I haven't done anything to this channel and it has 99 alerts and apparently got like, I don't know, 6,800 watch minutes in the last month. Tutorials, man. It freaked me out. Excuse me. So pretty much I'm coming back. I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently, hopefully in a better format. Plans for what kinds of tutorials I'll be doing in the future? Definitely Tyranno Builder, especially with the new update. I'm really excited to look more into that. I actually really like Tyranno Builder. I have a weird obsession with like small indie engines, like the kind like Tyranno Builder. It was a lot smaller back when I first started doing videos for it, but I like targeting those kinds of engines. RenPy, Tyranno Builder. I eventually wanted to get into RenPy, but got kind of scared off by all of the people that started popping into my videos. It was another reason that I want to make smaller, shorter videos is because I know at times I may word something incorrectly or I may just completely gloss over something that possibly is more important than I initially believed it would be, or I may just flat out get something wrong. So with smaller videos, again, if anybody would like to add on to concepts that I touch on, please feel free to post them in the comment section below. Another thing that I want to do on this channel is talk more about theory, which is a very touchy subject, because when you get into game theory, everyone has something to say about game theory, and everyone disagrees with everyone. Personally, I feel that gameplay is more important than story, and I know I'm already gonna get like 20 comments of people disagreeing with me wholeheartedly. That is a personal opinion and a personal idea, and frankly, those videos will obviously be designed, for people who either want to understand that side of the belief or people who want to run down that side. I don't know. It's going to be really weird. So I'd like to touch on some of those subjects. Those will obviously be something else entirely. But yeah, that's basically the direction of the channel right now. I would like to get back into tutorials. I cannot promise there will be any regularity to how often these videos will be uploaded, but at the very least, I want to redo all of my tutorial videos that I have done for Tyranno Builder up to this point. That is pretty much my current goal. I may touch back on C++. C++ was not my most, my strongest language, so I got very, like, spooked off of the tutorials for C++ because those had over, like, 100,000 views, and I was not, I'm gonna be completely real, I was not expecting that to happen. So, I mean, I got very nervous about teaching people on that kind of scale, so that's kind of what happened. It's not really an excuse, and it's not really, like, the best reasoning ever. In fact, it's pretty silly, but I know that was part of it. It was partly I didn't really want to be a tutorial person, and I wasn't ready for it, and they were just sort of for fun videos. Like, I got people commenting on some of my Unreal videos, which were definitely not tutorial videos. They were pretty much just me showing off, and I was like, well, okay, I can't help you with this. I don't remember what I did here. I did not take notes. It was just literally it existed. So yeah, thank you so much, everybody, for your patience. I am so sorry I have not responded to any comments. I cannot tell you how guilty I feel for ignoring 99 plus notifications. My God. There's literally a little bell on my screen just glaring at me with 99 plus notifications. Never had that before, except with the Overwatch video, which I've also removed. But I normally am not like that. I will respond to every comment that I get on all of my videos across my channel, except here, which I have run from, and I feel incredibly guilty. So moving forward, I would like to rectify that. I will respond to any questions that I get, possibly not in a timely manner, because I am running 2 channels. For those of you who follow me on the Darkovika gaming channel, this is not any indication that I will be uploading less over there. In fact, I will probably upload a majority of these to Patreon first in bulk for my Patreon supporters, and then upload them one by one here on the Darkovika tutorial channel. But yeah, there we go. I don't know. There's a lot going on in my head right now. I'm just kind of right out there. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for understanding and being patient with me. And yeah, you know, bada bing, bada boom. See you guys next time.